We got a onesie for our daughter that said, "Sorry boys, dad says no dating, sized for a newborn." I guess I'm wondering who they thought is going to date our 0-month-old daughter. But all the girl clothes are remarkably annoying for so many reasons. I'd want clothing that doesn't have sayings that sexualize children. I want clothing that comes in gender-neutral options for both color and fit as a standard. I want dinosaurs for her. I want functional pockets. She deserves dinosaurs and functional pockets. Those exist on boys' clothes. Why can't I have those for my daughter? Why does everything have ruffles? Why is everything hyper pink? Why is everything glittery? Why can't I just find a one-piece bathing suit for my daughter? Why are the girl clothes smaller than boy clothes when they're the same size? I don't have anything against clothes that are pink or glittery or ruffly, but those clothes also tend to have problematic issues when it relates to fit or sayings like daddy's princess, things that we find to be problematic in our family. One thing that I've been especially frustrated by is that girls' clothes tend to be much more form-fitting and revealing than boys' clothes, and they're also much less durable than boys' clothes. I can't see any good reason for that to happen. I think that reinforces this toxic mindset that girls' bodies are meant to be displayed, and I think it normalizes objectification. I don't want to do either of those things with my daughter. The boys' clothes consistently fit better, and they're slightly larger, and they're just more comfortable. There were some commenters on the video who said, well, that's because boys are bigger than girls, and I think that's actually a myth. If you do like a birth weight, the difference is about 4 ounces. That's a deck of cards. And let's take that a step further and look at the CDC growth charts for boys and girls. If you compare a 36-month-old boy to a 36-month-old girl, let's pick someone in the 50th percentile for both height and weight, the difference between the boy and the girl is ½ an inch and ½ a pound. So if on average a 3-year-old girl is a ½ inch, like a fingernail shorter than the average boy, why are the inseams shorter? Why are the sleeves shorter? Why are the hems shorter? One of the most common and the ones that we're really uncomfortable with are when people ship babies, like pretend that they're in relationships either with other babies or even adults. It just feels weird and uncomfortable, and it's a baby. Another thing that's happened is because we tend to pick more gender-neutral clothes or even buy boy clothes for our daughter, we've had people confuse her for a boy in public, and then they get upset with us for some reason. It's almost like they think we're trying to trick them. So the cool thing is you're the parent, which means you get to choose what they're exposed to, how they're exposed to that information, and you also get to help them learn how to process and challenge those influences. This also means you get to set an early standard about what matters when it comes to defining a person. So things like their actions, their talents, their interests. In other words, the things about them that make them a really cool, awesome person that don't involve their appearance.